Are you looking to capture stunning photos and videos from your smartphone without breaking the bank? Then look no further than the Tecno mobile phones. Tecno is known for delivering incredible camera experience across various budget ranges. Whether you are a casual phone photographer or an aspiring content creator, Tecno has a phone to suit your needs and capture your world in stunning detail. So let us see in this video which are those amazing Tecno mobile phones that comes with the best camera experience. So let's start the video. Tecno Pova 6 Pro. Tecno Pova 6 Pro, there are many reasons to buy this particular smartphone. It has got great long battery life, 120Hz AMOLED display is very immersive, dynamic lighting gives a unique look, and it comes with a 70-watt fast charging support. Tecno Pova 6 Pro comes with a meaningful upgrades over its predecessor and shines in aspects like the vibrant display, long battery life, fast charging speed, and useful software feature. One of the key aspects missing from the handset, which was also missing on its predecessor, is an ultra-wide sensor. So for the price, it has to offer the ultra-wide sensor, otherwise it's a great smartphone to consider. Tecno Spark 20C. Buy this amazing smartphone for its premium design, excellent stereo speakers, good battery life. The standout feature of the Tecno Spark 20C is its stereo speakers with a TTX support, which are impressively loud with minimal sound distortion at maximum volume. Features like interesting design, a smooth 90Hz display, reliable battery backup, and satisfactory daylight cameras are also make the smartphone worthy of consideration at its price. However, the phone falls slightly short in terms of performance and lacks 5G capability. Tecno Spark Go, another low-budget smartphone from Tecno that comes with amazing specs. Powered by Unisoc T606 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM, serves all the purpose. It comes with an IPS LCD display of 6.56 inches with a HD plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. Coming to the cameras, there is a 13MP rear camera that takes decent pictures and 8MP selfie camera, which is also pretty decent. It comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery that comes with a great battery backup for this phone. Tecno Spark 20. Tecno Spark 20 is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor with the 8GB of RAM, and it comes with the beautiful display of IPS LCD display with the HD plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. The most impressive part of this smartphone is its camera. It comes with a 50MP wide-angle primary camera that takes very detailed pictures, and it can shoot for 2K videos at 30fps. Also, the selfie camera is very impressive. It comes with a 32MP of selfie camera that takes very good selfies. 5000 mAh of battery is there, which can give you long battery life, and also comes with the 18-watt fast charging support that charges the phone really faster. Tecno Pop 8, one of the best low-budget smartphone from Tecno. Powered by Unisoc T606 processor, 4GB of RAM is there. Coming to the display, it comes with the HD plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and comes with a very decent camera of 12MP. For it does the camera job well, but the details are not so much great. But for the price, it justifies the price. 8MP selfie camera is there, which is pretty decent. But the most amazing part is part of the smartphone is the huge 5000 mAh of battery that gives you long-lasting battery lives. So these are the 5 amazing Tecno's phone that you can buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.